Hey, what's up, everybody? It's been a while. Sorry about the noise. Somebody's working on their plumbing. I think it's upstairs because I hear the vibration a lot upstairs, but that's why I'm using the lav mic. I'm not using the shotgun mic. So yesterday I went to Salvation Army, and what's funny was I almost got attacked by a homeless person. I was on my phone checking the prices of a machine that I was looking at, and they basically thought I was taking picture of. He thought I was taking picture of him. I know he already had some kind of issue. I've been in the mental health industry for a while now, and this is nothing new to me. But the only problem was that there was bats and golf clubs right next to him, and as I was walking away, he started getting wise with me and started basically saying that I was investigating him. So it's super normal in the mental health industry for these guys to actually get super paranoid and not trust you. And I was very polite with him, and I know the normal person would probably attack him and beat him up, but I didn't want to do anything because that's not how I deal with things. And yeah, long story short, he actually got kicked out from a friend of mine who was actually working at this place, and he saw that the guy was harassing me. And what's funny was that I was by the equipment section, which had these exercise equipment. So I scored a hyperextension bench, adjustable bench, and a ab adjustable bench, which both retails around like $549 without shipping now. So I don't know how much, I don't know if it was from a gym or what, but it was there and it was going for $99 each. Then I was thinking, should I get this or should I not? So that's why I was on my phone, and the homeless guy was like, oh, what are you doing on your phone? So I was like, oh, I'm just checking the prices. Checking prices my ass, he responded. And I didn't want to record what was happening because usually people will do that, but I know it's gonna actually escalate the situation more. So I just went out of there and he started swinging the bat, and it was crazy. I thought it was gonna end. I thought it was gonna go down where I would have to apprehend this guy and actually use some force on this guy. But luckily the employees at Salvation Army de-escalated the situation, and the guy didn't want to get kicked out. I think he was gonna steal, to be honest, because usually they bring their bags in and they just shove whatever they want inside. And yeah, I'm used to seeing that. And once in a while, they'll just slip right out and go. So anyways, yeah, long story short, I scored about $1,200 worth of equipment for 200 bucks. Right now it's on my lanai and I don't have any space, but I think this is super important to my training regimen because I do have a weak lower back and I do have to work on this big belly. So I'll see you guys later. That's my story. Catch you guys later. Peace.